our SAP PEO Training Online Certification course by Vistasparks Solutions, Seoul, Noble, Master SAP EO, Production Engineering and Operations, and gain expertise in advanced manufacturing execution, production engineering, product structure management, shop floor operations, digital manufacturing, also self and go to DSIC, and end-to-end production lifecycle management, 2HS per 5. Our comprehensive SAP PEO training program is designed to help professionals understand modern manufacturing processes and Industry 4.0 concepts using SAP STEPS for HANA. This training focuses on connecting engineering, manufacturing, and operations into one seamless digital process. Contact on mentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services. The comprehensive SAP PEO training program offered by Vistasparks Solutions provides individuals with the necessary skills to excel in their careers. This training is designed to help companies streamline their product engineering and operations processes. By participating in this training, individuals can develop the expertise required to manage complex projects and improve business performance. The program is tailored to meet the needs of both individual professionals and corporate teams. Expert instructors lead the training sessions, which are based on an industry-aligned curriculum. Participants learn how to apply theoretical knowledge in real-world production environments. The ultimate goal is to equip individuals with the skills needed to thrive in their digital futures. The Vistasparks Advantage offers expert-led instruction and industry-aligned curriculum taught by seasoned SAP practitioners. This approach is designed for real-world impact, combining classroom learning with hands-on experience in manufacturing sectors. The curriculum bridges the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. Vistasparks provides dual training tracks tailored to meet the needs of both individual professionals seeking career growth and corporate teams driving transformation. Hi 1. These tracks offer customized programs that align with organizational goals and operational requirements. By providing implementation-ready skills, Vistasparks helps organizations achieve their production objectives. The company provides a range of services to support individuals who wish to acquire new skills or improve existing ones. The company offers various training programs for individuals who want to enhance their technical skills. The company also provides resources such as textbooks, online courses, and access to real-world systems to aid in the learning process. Additionally, the company has partnerships with other organizations to provide additional learning opportunities. The company's goal is to equip individuals with the necessary tools and knowledge to excel in their careers. Vistasparks offers a range of corporate training programs for businesses looking to implement SAP solutions. These programs are designed to provide employees with the necessary skills to support the implementation process. The training covers topics such as data management, system configuration, and software application development. Participants will learn how to configure and customize SAP systems to meet the specific needs of their organization. They will also receive guidance on implementing effective change management strategies. The course agenda provides a structured approach to understanding the foundations and design aspects of SAP PEO. This module outlines the essential components of the SAP PEO infrastructure, including roles and organizational structures. Module 2 delves into the integration of engineering snapshots and PLM systems, enabling seamless collaboration and data exchange. Module 3 focuses on the creation and management of bills of materials, leveraging the Visual Enterprise platform to streamline manufacturing processes. By covering these critical modules, learners will gain a comprehensive understanding of the SAP PEO landscape and its underlying systems, ultimately equipping them with the knowledge needed to drive business success. The course covers modules 1 through 3, which are focused on planning and preparation. Modules 5 and 6 are focused on shop floor configuration. Modules 7 and 8 are focused on quality control and assurance. Modules 9 and 10 are focused on project management and implementation. The course also includes training on lean manufacturing principles and Six Sigma methodology. The course will cover modules 7-9, which are focused on execution and quality. The modules include releasing routings and production versions, resource planning and real-time monitoring. These modules focus on embedding quality checkpoints and managing the release lifecycle of products. They also cover optimizing resource allocation with compliance protocols within PEO shop floor routings and production. Furthermore, they include real-time production tracking, processes to meet regulatory and version requirements, ensuring readiness for live manufacturing execution and minimizing downtime. The course covers advanced analytics for data-driven decisions, hands-on projects, and certification preparation. The students will learn how to leverage SAP analytics tools to apply their knowledge in a real-world setting. They will also receive targeted exam readiness coaching, as well as guidance on extracting manufacturing insights from various sources. Furthermore, they will participate in simulated SAP exams, industry case studies, and career support to ensure their success in obtaining the SAP PEO certification. The course aims to provide continuous improvement opportunities for students who are pursuing the SAP PEO certification. Vistasparks offers a range of innovative solutions for product development, supply chain management, and manufacturing operations management. These solutions are designed to accelerate innovation and improve efficiency by providing integrated systems for product design, procurement, inventory management, and order management. By leveraging advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning, we enable companies to optimize their manufacturing processes and reduce time to market. Our solutions also provide comprehensive lifecycle management, allowing companies to manage complex production cycles with ease and precision. Vistasparks Solutions offers expert mentorship and personalized career guidance to individuals seeking to unlock their full potential in SAP. The company provides access to a global SAP community, which enables users to learn from others who share similar interests and expertise. Through its training programs, Vistasparks Solutions helps individuals achieve their career goals by providing them with the necessary knowledge and skills. The company's training programs are tailored to meet the needs of each individual, whether they are looking to start their journey or advance their existing skills. By offering these resources, Vistasparks Solutions empowers individuals to take control of their careers and make informed decisions about their professional development